Evolution, wearing our grave clothes, we're causing a commotion. From the labels to the street, we're making a statement. In a stylish pop with a fashion.
Hi guys, welcome to another styling session. Today we are doing some get ready with me with some different outfit. I'm styling some outfits differently that the way I just feel like there some are elegant, some are casual, and well, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. I have this it's like a wear on top kind of a thing, but I'm going to turn it to a skirt. You can see it has like these arms. I'm going to combine it with a blazer, guys, and then some few accessories to make the outfit complete. So before wasting time, we're going to start, and then we're going to make some amazing photos. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram as well at Essy.mcroll So please, let's get started and make sure you like and comment. So guys, I think I'm going to film this styling on my stairs because everywhere I'm not getting the light I'm really wanting, and I don't want to use any artificial light. So as I love my stairs, I'm going to film this here. And as I showed you guys, I have the outfit, and I'm going just to start dressing on and showing you how the outfit look like. So guys, let me just reveal to you the whole outfit. I have handbag, the accessoire, it's amazing. I have the glasses, and let me show you the outfit. It's so amazing, guys. This handbag, the blazer, heels from Sarah, and this, I bought this by Tim, by the way, and it's not a skirt, it's like just something you can wear on top, but I just created it differently. So, what do you think, guys? It's looking amazing. You have to be creative always, you know. I'm loving the outfit. I'm loving the outfit to create something good. I'm in love. I didn't tie my shoes anyways, but just wanted to show you my outfit. I hope you like it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see the pictures. So guys, my next outfit. I just changed, okay, my bag. I have this bristle. This is a scarf. It's a big scarf, and I just fold it to make a top. And I think it's looking amazing. I'm still having the same bottom, which I made before. I had it before. And guys, what do you think? It's looking amazing. Fit. Guys, I'm the camera woman. I'm everything in one, as everybody does. So bear with me. So this is the outfit, second outfit, guys, that match. So guys, this is the outfit. I don't want to show you the back, but I think this is amazing. It looks amazing. So guys, this is my next outfit. Same bottom, different outfit, different accessoire. I have this bag matching with the hat, and it's amazing, guys. I'm loving it. So let's make amazing. What do you think? Comment down below. Make sure you follow me also on Instagram, guys. Cause this top I sold it 2 weeks ago with another collection, and I thought it would match this. It's looking amazing, guys. I'm loving it. So make sure this is how I'm looking like. Oh my god, guys, this is look. Let's see. This is amazing. So this look is amazing, guys. It's looking amazing. I'm loving it. I love everything about it. Yes. The bag matches the hat. Mwah. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Tell me which one is the favorite combination. I will be happy to answer your question, to chat with you and all the stuff. Like, comment and subscribe. So guys, if you enjoyed this one skirt in 3 fashion look, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one, because we have come to the end of this style, 3 styles, 1 skirt.